kids! Today I'm going to paint this beautiful picture of unicorn. So let me start. First I'm going to paint this sun. I am doing yellow color. Now this heart of unicorn. Wow! It is very colorful. Now I'll be doing the ears. I'm doing yellow color in it. Then the ears. Okay, now the face and the rest of the body. This unicorn is going to be very colorful and beautiful. I'm doing very carefully. Now, let us paint this beautiful necklace. Oh wow! The piece is remaining. Let me paint purple color in it. This unicorn is complete. It is looking very beautiful and colorful. Now I am going to paint the background. Doing green color in it. Now these flowers and their leaves. Okay, now the sky and the cloud is remaining. So let us paint the cloud and the sky. Wow! This is a very colorful and beautiful picture of unicorn. Are you liking it? Please give this video a like and stay tuned to my YouTube channel.